You know that most plants grow from seeds. What do you think is present inside a seed? We all know that our Earth is the only planet that supports life. However, for life to go on, all living things must produce more of their kind. That is, they must reproduce. Thus, reproduction becomes an important process for the continuity of life on the Earth. Reproduction is a process by which living beings produce young ones of their own kind. Like all living beings, plants also reproduce, so that their species do not die out. There are two methods of reproduction in plants: from seeds, from different parts of plants. Reproduction from seeds, while roots, stem or leaf from the vegetative plant parts. Flowers are the reproductive part of a new plant. Flowers grow into fruits, and fruits contain seeds. A seed germinates to grow into a new plant. And have you ever seen or wondered why plants produce so many seeds? Do you know that all seeds may not grow into new plants? Some seeds are eaten by animals, some seeds are destroyed by rain or wind, some seeds do not get right soil or enough air and water. So only those seeds survive that get enough air, water and sunlight and develop into new plants. Growth of a plant. Parts of a seed. The outer hard covering of the seed is called seed coat. The seed coat protects the internal delicate parts of the tiny plant called embryo. It contains fleshy seed leaves or cotyledons and a baby plant inside the seed coat. Some plants have only one cotyledon and some have two. Plants with one cotyledon are called monocot plants, while plants with two cotyledons are called dicot plants. Wheat, rice, maize, onion are monocot plants. Gram, pea and beans are dicot plants. Structure of a seed. Radicle, seed coat, apicotyl, hypocotyl, cotyledons. Germination of seeds. The development of a seed into a seedling is not a single-step process. Before growing into a fully grown plant, a seed has to go through a number of stages. These stages are as follows. A seed is sown in the soil. It is watered daily so that it remains moist and the seed coat can be broken easily. It gets air from the atmosphere and warmth from the sun. The seedling breaks the seed coat and comes out of the seed. It obtains its food firstly from the cotyledons and then from the soil. The seedling develops roots and shoot. The seedling now develops leaves and branches and finally grows into a plant. Dispersal of seeds. Plants cannot move from one place to another. But if all baby plants grew near the mother plant, not all would survive. They would not get enough sunlight, food, water and space to grow. Hence, nature has some agents to scatter these seeds. They carry the seeds or fruits away from their parent plant. This process scattering of seeds or fruits away from the mother plant is called dispersal. Agents of dispersal. Nature has provided various agents which help to scatter seeds to far-off places. The special structures of certain seeds and fruits help to carry them to a new place. Wind. Seeds of cotton, madar and hittage are light and have hair or wings on them. These features enable them to be easily carried away by wind. Water. The lotus fruit has a spongy part and the coconut has a fibrous outer covering to make them float on water. Human beings and animals. Human beings and animals eat fruits like cherries and throw away the seeds. Some seeds with hooks or spikes stick to the hairy skin of animals and are carried away. Birds swallow some seeds which come out unharmed in their droppings. Explosion. Some fruits scatter their seeds by exploding the seed pods. When the seeds are ripe and the pod has dried, it bursts open and the seeds scattered. For example, pods of squirting cucumber spread their seeds by explosion. Other ways of growing plants. Some plants can be grown without seeds. They can grow from their body parts. Growing plants from their body parts, such as roots,